5 businesses that start poor but end rich if you stay consistent for 12 months. Everybody wants a business that pays big in 1 month. But the truth is, some of the richest people you know today started small, quiet, and broke. They just didn't quit too early. If you can stay consistent for 1 year, non-stop, boringly consistent, then these 5 businesses can change your life completely. They can pay your rent and even sponsor your vacation. Number 1, content creation. The first 3 months will feel useless. No likes, no comments, no alerts. But if you can stay boringly consistent, educating people, entertaining them, inspiring them every day for 1 year, your visibility will explode. And that is where the money hides. Number 2, ebook creation and digital products. I am not hyping this. Many of my students started broke, quietly consistent. They started with 0 alerts. And at the end of the day, they started making things like this, and like this. Myself, as case study, when I started, it was very challenging. I could stay for 1 month with just 2 alerts. I could stay for 3 months and ended up making just 50K in return. But as I stayed consistent, things became better and I started making over 1 million in 1 month. Your friends will mock you. Your close relatives will discourage you. Many people will tell you that except you put money in Facebook ads, you cannot make chichi. But I bet you, that is a big fat lie. Organically, you can make millions, but not instantly, not immediately, not overnight. It takes time, it requires patience, it requires boring consistency. And that's exactly what I teach in my digital product starter pack. Number 3, this is called affiliate marketing. Calm down. I know that many people already had bad experiences with affiliate marketing coaches. Some of them, not all. But trust me, affiliate marketing is still one of the best money-making models that exist today. If you can get a trustworthy coach or mentor, and you can stay boringly consistent for 1 year, I bet you it will buy you your first car. It will take you to UK or anywhere around the world that you always dream to be. Number 4, skill-based services such as video editing, graphic design, copywriting, ghostwriting. These are not small skills, these are currencies in disguise. Your first client may pay you 5,000 naira, but I bet you, if you can stay consistent for 1 year, a client will pay you 500,000 naira. Not really because you are now doing something differently, but because you've already mastered your craft and you've built that trust and credibility. Number 5, mini importation. What did I call it? Mini importation. There's a lot of money hiding in this business model, and most broke people are yet to discover it. Go make your findings. Go do your research. There's a lot of money in mini importation. Your friends will discourage you. Your close relatives will tell you that you should not near it. But don't listen to them. Don't take advice from poor people. Their advices will keep you poorer and put you in tears and regret. If you want to learn more about mini importation, digital products, go straight to the comment section and type "teach me" and look at the pinned comment. Read the message there that I leave for you. Click any of the links and grab the opportunity now. I will see you in the next